Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time try on of the LongBay men's slippers, which are these slippers right here. These are going to be a set of memory foam slippers that you can currently get on Amazon for about $30. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take these out of the packaging, show you what they look like up close, then I'll throw them on my feet to get a sense of the fit and feel. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so these are the LongBay men's memory foam slippers. You can currently get these on Amazon for about $30. These will come in 4 separate color varieties. There's going to be a black, a forest green, a gray, which is this color, and then a navy blue as well. As far as the packaging, it's pretty simple. Just this cardboard box says it's for lightweight comfort, machine washable, easy on off, and then for indoor and outdoor use. And then we'll just take these out of the box and take a look at them. And so here's the actual slippers. And so this is what they look like. So this is going to be the gray variety with this orange accent as far as the stitching and the emblem here. The forest green and the navy blue are going to be a similar color. Just the difference here is this color is different. And then the black one is actually going to be black for this, and then it's actually going to have a light blue color, but you can check out their website. As far as the design, it's kind of a unique, different design. So if you look here, it's basically got this, I would describe it as like a nylon foam upper. So the inside here is just like a very foam material, a little bit of thickness there, but it's very cushiony, pliable from that standpoint. But the outside's like a nylon kind of like tracksuit kind of feel, which is a little bit different. And then the bottom is a memory foam, very, very thick, soft memory foam on the bottom here, with this plush kind of like layering on the inside here, if you can see it, as well. And then on the bottom here, as far as the sole, it's got this ridge design across the sole with a couple like kind of rigid like grooves throughout to provide pliability as well as traction. It is a very thin sole though, so for me personally, they promote this as being for outdoor use. I suspect though that if you did wear this outdoors on like concrete or something, this would wear through pretty quickly. So I would probably just recommend using this for indoor use as a slipper. The other thing about this is it does have like a nylon elastic kind of pattern here to allow your foot to slide in and out and keep it secure within the shoe itself. And then on the back here, they've got a pull tab to put this on and off your foot as well. I'll just pull out the kind of insert here, but overall, I think there's another one, sorry. Overall, it's very, very cushiony, very flexible, something that seems like a great, comfortable shoe. The looks are a little bit different. Some people may or may not like this design, but it's a pretty cool shoe for what it is. So that's the one shoe, and then real quick, we'll pull out the insert on the other one. Sorry. And then this is what the other one looks like. So that's it for the close-up look. Now what I'll do is I'll throw this on my foot, get a sense of how its fit and overall feel. Okay, so here are the two shoes. What we'll do is we'll just throw these on my feet to get a sense of the overall fit and feel. As far as sliding your foot into this, there's no difficulty at all. The elastic sides here are really nice as far as getting them in. And then first impressions, I'll say that I'm a size 10, 10 or 10 and a half. These are actually size 10. For the sizing, they only have full unit sizes, so you can either get like a 10 or an 11. I went with the 10 just because I would expect that this would be a little bit tighter, and the memory foam might expand or loosen with time. And so I thought going a size smaller would be appropriate, and I've got no issues here. My toe is at the tip here, but it is very comfortable, especially with the fact that this is a nylon memory foam, so it's not tight around my foot at all. But in general, the cushion on the bottom is really, really nice. It's very, very soft, memory foam for sure. My feet feel very comfortable. The fit's really nice from that standpoint. I'll give you a sense of what it looks like from the different angles. So that's the angle there, the back, and then the other side. But there's definitely some traction and grip here with the kind of bottom there. It is pretty thin though, so I would say that use this for indoor purposes, for like a slipper purpose. I expect that if you tried to wear these outdoors, they would wear it through the sole pretty quick, just because it's a very thin sole here. But overall, a very nice quality shoe as far as a slipper for the price. At $30, I anticipate that if you wear these indoors on a regular basis, they'd be very comfortable. And the fact that it's got like this memory foam built into the top as well really makes it just like a nice, comfortable experience. The look's a little bit different or weird, kind of with this like groove pattern, but it is a very comfortable shoe, and it does conform to your foot really well. So I'm pretty happy with these. What I'll do is I'll wear these over time, test them out, and get any feedback as far as any durability issues or quality as far as craftsmanship. But these are the LongBay men's memory foam slippers. You can currently get on Amazon for about $30. So thanks for watching and have a great day.